Hi, I'm going to show you how to make the Malachite Stacked Earrings from the subscription box. So if we take the earring bag from the box and get all the bits out that we need, you should have 8 malachite disc beads and some silver spacers, 2 head pins and some sterling silver ear wires. So we'll just start by adding a malachite bead, spacer, malachite bead, spacer, malachite, spacer, another malachite, so 4 malachite in total, and finishing off with a spacer bead. So now we're going to do a wrapped loop so that we can attach it to our ear wire. So to do this, we take the chain nose pliers, grip the top of the wire above the beads and take it over to one side. So you've got a 45-degree angle there. Then you're going to need your round nose pliers to make the loop, and you grip the wire top and bottom like that. Bring the wire up and over the top of the round nose all the way down till it can't really go any further. Then take the pliers out of that loop and just reinsert the lower jaw of the pliers and continue round with the wire underneath the lower jaw so that you've now got a loop. Now we're going to wrap the wire round. To do this, we're going to grab our loop with our chain nose pliers. So get a good grip on that, and then take the wire and begin wrapping it back down a couple of times towards the beads. We then need to cut the excess wire off, so taking our flush cutters and going in with the flat side, we'll be able to get in really close there, snipping it down, being careful that the wire doesn't go shooting off. And then we just need to pinch that last little bit in with the chain nose pliers so that it all sits nicely. Tidying it up with the chain nose, and then we've got a wrap loop there, so we just need to now attach that to our ear wire. So take one of your sterling silver ear wires and with your chain nose pliers just gently prise that loop open towards you, and then you can just feed what you've made onto the ear wire and then close that back up, and you've got your malachite stacked earrings.